If you guys want to be able to hit wins like that, then let me show you this super simple trading strategy that prints me money like that every single week. So let's hop in the charts and I'll show you guys how it's done. Okay, so right off the rip here, this was the exact trade that I took that day. We can see that we had liquidity sweeping right here, and we can also see we have very high resistance highs floating up here and up here, right? So what I was able to see from this is that we can clearly tell that we wanted to go higher and we wanted to collect this liquidity, and possibly even liquidity all the way up here. From here, I was able to scale down to the 5 minute. And this is where we can see on the 5 minute that we had a big push down and we collected all this low resistance liquidity right around here. With this low, and these lows, where we were collecting all this liquidity, right? Then from here, I was able to tell that we made a move up. We were able to tell that we have a 5 minute bearish gap, right? So if we wanted to make a move higher, we need to be able to break through this 5 minute gap, which happened here. Well, when we broke this 5 minute gap, we were also able to create another 5 minute gap. This is where another 5 minute gap was able to be made. So from here, I wanted to see a trail back down to this 5 minute gap and respect it to show us that we wanted to go higher. Right here you can see that this is exactly what happened. So then from there I scaled down to the 1 minute where I was able to see a spot where we could break structure. Right here at this high. If we decided we wanted to break this high, then I would take this trade to the upside and run it all the way up to these highs and these highs. Bang, right here you can see this is where we broke structure. This is where I decided to take the trade, and I want to put it right at the bottom of this 5 minute gap, because if it came down and invalidated this gap, that would mean that the trade is wrong and it would go down to the downside. So this is where I wanted to ride it, all the way up to these highs and even up to these highs after. So let's see this trade play out and show you guys how it's done. Bang, just like that, rode all the way up to the highs that we were targeting. And that's how I'm able to make $500 plus every single day. If you guys thought this video was helpful in any way, make sure you guys join my free Discord where I go live every single day and I teach you guys how to trade just like this every single day. I'll go over setups and I'll answer any questions that you guys have. Just click the link in my bio.